Teledyne FLIR Defense has officially introduced Black Recon, a new autonomous micro-drone system designed to give military crews continuous reconnaissance capabilities without ever having to leave the safety of their vehicle or installation. What makes Black Recon stand out is its ability to launch, operate, recover, and recharge itself automatically. The system can manage up to 3 drones in rotation, creating near-continuous surveillance coverage while keeping personnel protected inside armored platforms. Instead of exposing soldiers to potential threats, the drones handle reconnaissance missions autonomously and return to their docking station when their task is complete. Each drone is equipped with both thermal and visible light cameras, providing real-time imagery and valuable targeting information in a wide range of conditions. The system is also built to operate in environments where GPS signals are unavailable, jammed, or spoofed. Advanced sensors and visual navigation technology allow the drones to continue their missions, even without traditional satellite guidance. Another impressive feature is its ability to conduct radio-silent operations. Using visual inertial navigation, the drones can navigate without relying on radio frequency links, making them harder to detect during sensitive missions. The system can also extend communication coverage through onboard relay capabilities and is compatible with the Black Hornet 4 nano drone, expanding its operational flexibility. Black Recon was specifically designed for military vehicles and fixed installations, rather than being adapted from existing handheld drone platforms. This purpose-built approach allows crews to deploy aerial surveillance almost instantly, without requiring external aviation support. Each drone can stay airborne for around 50 to 60 minutes and reach speeds of up to 25 meters per second, giving operators the ability to monitor threats, track targets, and gather intelligence far beyond traditional engagement distances. Despite its advanced capabilities, each drone weighs less than 450 grams. The lightweight design combines low size, weight, and power requirements with sophisticated sensing technology developed from Teledyne FLIR Defense's experience in nano-drone systems. This creates a compact but highly capable reconnaissance tool for modern military operations. Although Black Recon was originally developed for defense applications, its potential extends well beyond the battlefield. The system could support law enforcement agencies by providing remote first responder capabilities, assist with border and perimeter security, monitor critical infrastructure, and support maritime or river patrol operations. Its rugged design and network-enabled architecture make it suitable for both fixed and mobile deployments, even in remote or difficult-to-access locations. Looking ahead, Black Recon was built with future expansion in mind. Its modular architecture allows additional mission payloads to be integrated as operational needs evolve. Planned upgrades include specialized sensors for detecting chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats, as well as other mission-specific payloads that could expand the system's role beyond surveillance and reconnaissance. Teledyne FLIR Defense says Black Recon is available for order now, with deliveries expected to begin in 2027. As autonomous systems continue to play a larger role in military and security operations, Black Recon represents a significant step toward persistent, hands-free aerial intelligence gathering that keeps personnel safer while providing critical information in real time.